Real faster.
Real fast.
Momo, did you catch another one?
Hurry, real faster.
Faster.
Gotta get it in. Not the same one.
No, it's different.
Morgan, you caught another one!
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow.
What are you gonna do?
What fish is that, Papa?
Is that bluegill?
Is that a bluegill?
Let's find that.
Okay, Mo.
Come on, Momo, go
You
see.
want to touch this one?
Oops.
You want to touch this one? Here, Papa, will hold it.
Good job, Morgan.
Okay, good touching. See right there. It's okay, he won't get you.
Papa won't let you
Papa
get.
won't let it go, honey.
Here, let's
Just
put
touch
this,
it.
let's get this out. Make sure. Okay. There. Now you can touch him.
Daddy'll touch him.
You want to touch his tail? Remember we touched sharks at the zoo?
It's just like that, Mo.
Really? Yeah.
Wow.
He's just slimy, Momo. He's like slime.
Pickles.
Well, touch him.
Yeah.
Slick, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's kind of silly.
You want to put him back? Okay.
Yeah, we gotta say bye-bye, fishy.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
Here.
There he goes.
Good job.
He's
All
a
right.
happy
Give me
camper.
5. Yeah.
Hap, hap, hap.